In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Workspace ID in Notion. This is especially useful if you're connecting Notion to other tools, working with automations, or following technical tutorials that are specifically for your Workspace ID. Don't worry, the process is simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on your desktop browser or the desktop app. While some settings are visible on mobile, it's much easier to find your Workspace ID using a larger screen and the full settings menu. Once you're in Notion and you can see any of your pages, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small icon that opens the main menu for your account and Workspace. This might look like your profile photo, your initials, or a simple menu icon depending on your setup and the version of Notion you're using. Click on that icon to open the menu. From the drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings or Settings and Members. This is where Notion keeps all of your account and Workspace configuration options. Go ahead and click on that. It will open a new panel or window on the side, showing several categories or tabs. Within this panel, you'll see a list of sections along the left side. Find the one labeled General. This is where the core information about your Workspace is stored, including details like your Workspace name, domain, and in many cases, the Workspace ID itself. Click on General to open that section. Once you're on the General Settings page, slowly scroll down through the options. Take your time here, because Notion can group several pieces of information together, and it's easy to skip past what you're looking for. As you scroll, look for a label or field that mentions Workspace ID or something very similar. It may appear alongside other identifiers like your Workspace domain. When you see the Workspace ID, you can highlight it with your mouse and copy it, usually by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut. Make sure you copy it accurately, since it's often a long string of characters that needs to be exact for integrations to work properly. And that's it. By opening your settings, going to the General tab, and scrolling down, you'll be able to locate and copy your Notion Workspace ID whenever you need it.